Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be trying out the Remington Twist and Curl, Curl and Straighten. Unique twisted plates and round design creates lasting curls, waves, and straight styles. 1-inch multi-styler. I got this off of eBay off of one of my crazy liquidation sites, so I think I only paid like 11 bucks for it. Here's the box. Here is what it actually looks like. I have it heating up, so I have it plugged in, but the power button is actually right there. It has twisted barrel, and this display tells you the heat, and how you change the temperature of the heat is this little twisty thing. So let me see, can you see this? Alright, so you see it's at 410. If I twist this down, it goes to 380, 3 something, 300. If I twist it up, it goes in the opposite direction, 450. I think 450 is as high as it can go. I'm gonna stay at 410. It has little blinky lights to let you know when it is and isn't ready. I've never used like a twisted barrel type of situation, and I was really curious because do you remember like a few years ago, a little while ago, like pre-pandemic I would say, these were like all the rage because they created like the perfect beachy wave. So I thought for 11 bucks, why not? I also needed like a new straightener, so if anything else, it will just be a straightener for me. So yeah, on this side of my head, I think we are going to try to use it as just a straightener, and then on this side of my head, we are going to try to use it as like a curling iron. I washed and blow dried my hair yesterday, so like I don't have anything in it, or I haven't styled it or anything. I've just slept on it. And my hair is relatively straight right now anyways, because again, I have just blow dried it. But we'll see how it works anyways. It did come with this like user manual safety instructions. It tells you how to use it as a straightener. It tells you how to use it for beachy waves and things like that. So we will just see how this works for both things. First off, straightening, it just says take 2-inch sections of hair, place in between the plates near the roots, close the plates, hold tips together, and steadily glide down the entire length of the hair without stopping. Repeat the straightening around the head. I think it's doing a good job straightening. I don't straighten my hair much anymore like I used to back in high school many years ago, but I think it does a really good job straightening. I mean, as you can see, my hair is straight, and it definitely straightened out my ends from being like flipped out, and it smoothed the top of my hair out. I think what I do kind of like about this like curved barrel is that it can get really close to the roots of my hair, like by my scalp. That's really nice. Alright, so it can straighten. Again, if nothing else, it's a straightener. Let's see about curling the hair though, because I feel like that's going to be a little bit more tricky for me, because I'm already pretty proficient in using a curling iron, not to like toot my own horn. But yeah. So, how to curl. I'm going to start at the bottom and then like work my way up to see if we can get like a uniform look. The way to curl with the twist and curl styler is quite different from using a curling iron. Great. Instead of rolling up the hair, you rotate the styler 180 degrees as shown. You can hold the styler vertically and rotate towards or away from your face. In addition to holding it horizontally, it's easy to rotate in different directions for alternate curls. Experiment and enjoy. Half rotation downwards. Alright, so it just looks like you put the hair in the iron twist it 180 degrees, and then pull down. It says soft beachy waves, section 100, oh god, 1.5 inches, movement very slow, bouncy curls, 3/4 inch sections, very slow. Alright, well, we'll see. Okay, so here are my final thoughts on this twist and curl. What is this? The Remington Twist and Curl Multi-Styler. Would I pay full price for it? Absolutely not. Would I buy it off of a liquidation site like I did? Yes. It's not bad. It does exactly what it says it does. It straightens and it technically curls a little bit. I really struggled with the curling side, and I'm sure with more practice it wouldn't actually be that bad. I think, again, this is not really an intuitive tool, especially if you're not used to like the turn. However, you can do that with a regular straightener. I think the benefit of this is that it has a much more like cylindrical shape to it. So instead of getting like ovally curls with your straightener, you'll get like a little bit more roundness to your curls. And again, it did work on the ends and like on some of the strands. I don't hate this, but it definitely works better as just a regular straightener, so I really don't think this is worth the full price. But for 11 bucks, am I like mad that I got it? No, it's just not like the cream of the crop. Also, there is a little like lock button down here, but it doesn't actually lock this at all. So I don't know like what that is for, but it doesn't actually do, oh, it locks it. I see. I thought this little lock locked the temperature, but it doesn't. It locks the barrels together. Probably if you're traveling or something, I get that. But I would much rather it lock the temperature because this is very easy to like move. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to play around with it. I'll link it down in the description box if you guys want to check it out, but like, don't spend all of your money on this. Have you tried one of these like twisty hair straightener twist and curl things? I do like it as the straightener. Like, it glided through my hair very nicely, but as a curler, no, not at all. Have you tried these? Let me know down in the comment section. I'm always up for trying any type of new hair product, new hair tool, makeup, anything. Like, I always want to try it. Like, if it looks interesting, I'm like, ooh. So let me know, have you tried one of these in the comment section below. I'll list it down in the description box. If you want to look into it, you can on your own time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.